It's day 9 of growing and building Newsletterify. Things are starting to shape up pretty well. Added a new UI, added my timeline view, and reached out to Resend, a pretty popular email transactional marketing service that can be used via API. Sent them an email on best practices and what sort of billing to set up for the sending part. And a lot of people say not to build more features or add on to something and to scale it first or to get some users. But, I think I kind of have a problem where there are no users. And that's kind of a symptom of just the way that the platform was in the beginning, where it's just unclear what you're supposed to do. Enter a prompt, get a very simple piece of content back after spending some time on the build in public community and just looking at what other people are building and kind of how they go about it really just opened my eyes as to how to approach it and how to think about it from a totally different way in terms of, is it obvious what problem I'm solving when you hit my site or sign up? And it wasn't obvious at all previously. They say not to build features or a ton of features. I did that. I basically rebuilt. Now that I think about it, I rebuilt the entire app essentially again in these 8 to 9 days because I'm not using any of my previous APIs other than maybe using the same imports or not even the same scripts or utility scripts because I had to do something different. Next steps are finalizing the more visual parts of this, which are the images on the actual newsletter. I'm kind of in between my scraping from the site using those, or I think there's an opportunity here to weave in the GPT image API, which I've used on other projects, and have something where it's dynamically generating images. It opens the door to a ton of other features down the line that are, I think, just a little bit more 2025 as far as like video gen and incorporating voice. But just want to get this first beginning 10 part done and just see where we go from there. So super excited. Stay tuned.